Artificial intelligence is transforming industries across the board, and your home is no exception. Imagine a home automation system that anticipates your needs and learns your habits, suggesting or implementing new automations to make your life easier. Hello and welcome to Learn Home Automation. While this level of autonomy is still on the horizon, in this video, we'll talk about utilizing current AI to design a personalized home automation system. We'll explore the full process, explaining how to use AI to create a system tailored to your needs. By the end, you'll have the tools and knowledge to make the most of this exciting technology and transform your home into a smarter, more efficient space. Before designing your home automation system, it's important to understand the type of AI we'll use, a large language model. An LLM is an AI trained on vast amounts of text data, making it great for providing suggestions, answering questions, and summarizing information. When choosing an AI service, consider your specific needs and preferences. There are multiple options with unique strengths and features, and using more than one might be beneficial for specific tasks. Test them with simple requests to find the best fit for your requirements. One of the biggest challenges in setting up a home automation system is identifying your real needs. AI can help you narrow down your requirements and focus on what truly matters. It can suggest unique automation ideas based on your routines, making it easier to come up with personalized solutions. AI also breaks down complex ideas into simpler, actionable steps, ensuring your automations are focused and effective. When it comes to choosing devices, AI can provide recommendations based on your requirements and the automations you want to create, helping you make informed decisions. Finally, AI can guide you through the process of programming your automations. It can provide step-by-step instructions and help you troubleshoot any issues that arise. Now that we've covered the challenges and how AI can help, let's dive into practical steps. Use the provided prompts as a starting point and modify them as needed. AI responses should be a foundation to build upon, and you can guide it further for better suggestions. When using AI for your home automation, be mindful of personal information. Providing detailed routines and preferences can help the AI generate more accurate and useful suggestions, but it also means sharing some level of personal data with the AI service provider. Be cautious, read the privacy policy, and anonymize or conceal personal information as much as possible. Clearly define the needs and benefits you hope to gain from your home automation system. Write down daily routines in detail, including specific times and triggers. Then use the following prompt and paste your routines in the text box. I will provide you with our daily routines. I want you to identify all the instances we might interact with lights, climate control, appliances, or any other electricity-powered device and the relevant rooms and appliances involved. Be very detailed. Ask me if you need any clarification about our routines. Review the AI's response and prioritize the instances that will bring the most benefit to your daily life. Instruct the AI accordingly if you want to make any improvements or corrections. Using the outcome from the previous step as a basis, you can now create the first draft of your automation list with the following prompt. Based on the routines provided and the interactions you identified, I want you to create a comprehensive list of ideas for home automations that will help streamline our daily routines, save time and power on common household tasks, and provide a more comfortable environment in our home. This will help you create more targeted and effective automations. Write down all suggested automations, make necessary improvements, and adjust any aesthetic preferences like preferred lights or brightness levels. To ensure consistency and make programming the automations easier later on, it's useful to establish a clear syntax for your automations. Next, use the updated list to convert all automations to the following format. Trigger, what initiates the automation. Conditions, if any specific criteria are met. Actions, the tasks the system should perform. Review the results, make adjustments, and split complex automations into simpler, more manageable ones. Next, identify the sensors and smart devices needed for your home automation system. Use the following prompt. Identify all the sensors and smart devices I will need for my home automation system. Use the automation list we created as the basis to create a new list for all the device types I will need to implement those automations. Group the devices by room. Review the results, make any necessary corrections, and adjust the device types if needed. Determine the minimum amount of each device required to achieve the desired functionality and ensure they are compatible with your chosen ecosystem. Finally, after you've bought your devices, initialized your hub, and connected all the devices, you'll want to program the automations. Let's use Home Assistant as our example ecosystem. I want to program the automations from the list we created in Home Assistant. Give me step-by-step instructions for each automation. The AI will provide a good starting point, but it might not be up to date with the latest changes. Use its instructions as a foundation and come back for more specific instructions or alterations as needed. Test each automation thoroughly before relying on it. In just a few hours, you now have a solid foundation for your home automation system. As you live with it, especially in the first few days and weeks, you'll notice areas for improvement. You might want to revisit some automations to ensure they work as intended. For example, you can describe to the AI the intended outcome of a specific automation and what you've already set up in the system. Ask for feedback on what changes you can make to achieve that outcome. This iterative process will help you refine your system and make it even more effective. Remember that AI is prone to hallucinations, so it is a good idea not to take anything it suggests as a fact. Its suggestions are meant to guide and inspire you, so feel free to do your own research and modify everything to fit your requirements. In this video, we explored using AI to design a personalized home automation system. By following the outlined steps from identifying needs and routines to programming and refining automations, you can create a system tailored to your unique requirements. Your next step is to start applying these concepts to your home. Whether you are starting from scratch, want to improve your existing setup, or are struggling with a couple of automations that don't work as intended, you can use the ideas in this video to achieve a more personalized and efficient living space. Remember, the journey to a smarter home is an ongoing process of discovery and improvement. And that's it for today. Have you used AI to help with automation ideas or programming? Will you implement local AI solutions if they become more affordable? I'd love to hear your thoughts, so why not leave a comment below? Thanks for watching, consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time.